effectively, or the function of y given that x2 equal to 0 is minus 2. If you notice the difference out here, any pair of x1 and x2 will give you the exact value of y. Any pair of x1 and x2 will give you the exact value of y. There will be a one-to-one correspondence between this side and this side. But in this case, when I am assuming something to be very constant at 0, there will not be a one-to-one correspondence. The correspondence will be subject to the fact that one of the variables is constant. When this condition prevails, we call that x1, x2 is necessary, but they do not give me the exact value of y. We call this probabilistic